recreating Homecoming's thigh-high chicken biscuits. Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Remy's Apprentice. Now, first things are first, these biscuits are going to need somewhat of a crunchy, buttery bottom. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and put our cast iron skillet in an oven while it preheats to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we want to set up our stand mixer, adding 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix while cubing 4 tablespoons of cold butter and grating 4 ounces Vermont cheddar cheese. After that mixes, create a crater in the center of a bowl, pouring 1 cup of buttermilk into the center, then mixing on medium. You can use the choice like me and be neat by removing the dough to a floured work surface, rolling out using a biscuit cutter, or actually make drop biscuits by using an ice cream scooper to flop the dough on the skillet you just removed from the oven and coat it down with 3 tablespoons of butter, then placing your biscuits back into a 425 degree oven for 15 to 17 minutes. Next, we want to set out our boneless chicken thighs and season with salt and cayenne pepper while our oil heats up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, flour chicken, dunk in the egg and back into flour and into the oil for 6 to 8 minutes, depending on how thick it is.
They're making me so very hungry.
While those are frying, mix 4 ounces Louisiana hot sauce, 4 ounces honey, and 3 ounces apple cider vinegar together to create our Southern hot honey sauce. Throw thighs in a bowl, drizzle hot honey, and toss. When biscuits are done, shred some smoked cheddar on top and dress up your plate. And there you have it, guys, a simple breakfast or brunch recipe that the whole family will enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and until next time, cheers.